Welcome back to Top Moments TV, and today non-stop action, we will take you on a journey through the entire forestry process, from felling giant trees to processing the wood. Get ready for some epic scenes and incredible machinery. Have you ever looked at a large old tree and wondered what secrets it holds inside? Sometimes those secrets are a little rotten. Luckily, we have amazing people who make sure these giants come down without harming anyone or anything. The roar of chainsaws echoes, mingling with the powerful echoes of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, not only stand firm on the mountain but also control every saw stroke, every winch. They are not just loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where just the smallest mistake can change the direction of their entire life. The forest log crane is a powerful, specialized equipment for harvesting and transporting large tree trunks. With a long, flexible arm and a sturdy hook, the machine easily grips and lifts heavy logs from the ground to a truck or staging area. The large tracker wheel system helps the machine move flexibly on the rough terrain of the deep forest. The powerful engine combined with modern control technology allows the machine to operate effectively, even in difficult conditions such as steep slopes or mud. This is an indispensable tool in the logging industry, helping to reduce labor and increase productivity. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, when I first looked at this machine, I imagined a giant spider stretching out its arms to catch prey. The wood clamp in the forest is a powerful specialized equipment, often used to collect, transport and unload wood in forestry areas. The machine is usually designed with a long hydraulic arm and a sturdy clamp, helping to hold the tree trunks easily, even large and heavy logs, with large crawler or tire. The powerful engine combined with a modern control system helps the machine operate effectively, reducing human labor and increasing productivity in wood transportation work. The Sherix VM60 is a powerful multi-purpose machine, designed to meet the needs of working in the harshest environments. With a sturdy cutting blade and advanced technology, the VM60 is capable of cutting, chipping and processing materials such as wood, shrubs and even large tree roots quickly and efficiently. Compact but extremely durable in design, the machine is easy to move and suitable for many types of tractors or other support equipment. The Sherix VM60 not only saves time but also optimizes operating costs. The Kinetic 437 is a powerful forestry machine, featuring a modern design and outstanding performance. Equipped with a high-power engine, the Kinetic 437 is specialized for harvesting wood in forests. The machine has an advanced wood hoisting system, ensuring a fast and accurate working process. In addition, the compact but sturdy design makes the machine easy to move on all terrains, from rugged mountains to rough land areas. Oh my god, this is horrible. The Morbark 4036 is a high-performance wood chipper specifically designed to efficiently process large logs and coarse materials. With a wide conveyor belt size and a powerful cutting system, the machine can handle a wide range of materials, from branches, tree trunks to large pieces of wood. The Morbark 4036 is often equipped with a powerful engine, a modern control system, and flexible mobility, suitable for forestry applications, wood chip production or wood waste processing. The durable and easy-to-maintain design allows the machine to operate stably for a long time, meeting the needs of businesses in the wood industry. Kinetic Metza is an advanced machine designed specifically for the forestry industry. With breakthrough technology, the machine is capable of harvesting and processing wood efficiently and environmentally friendly. The outstanding feature of Kinetic Metza is the highly automated system, which helps to optimize work productivity and minimize manual labor. In addition, the machine is equipped with an intelligent and durable control system, suitable for operating in complex terrain conditions such as deep forests or mountainous areas. Compact but powerful design, Kinetic Metza is the top choice for businesses in the logging and wood processing industry. In the dim afternoon light, the abandoned house stood alone in the middle of a land overgrown with weeds, evoking a sense of gloom and mystery. The mottled, cracked walls seemed to tell the story of time and oblivion. As the excavator rumbled forward, the powerful blows seemed to tear apart the past, sending sections of the wall crashing down into piles of rubble. The reverberating noise mixed with the sound of broken glass, broken wood, and the cold wind swept through it, carrying dust. The house, once a shelter, was now just a memory among the debris scattered on the ground. The CRANMAN is a specialized machine specially designed for use in the forestry industry. Compact in size but extremely powerful, the Cranman stands out for its ability to move flexibly on complex forest terrain. The machine is equipped with a high-precision hydraulic crane, making it easy to load and transport timber. The powerful, fuel-efficient engine and intelligent control system make the CRANMAN a useful tool for small and medium-sized logging and wood processing jobs. This is the ideal choice for those looking for efficiency and durability in forestry work. Bell Cutting is a modern forestry machine, designed to serve the purpose of cutting tree stumps effectively and quickly. With a strong and sturdy design, the machine is equipped with an advanced cutting system, helping to handle all types of trees. The powerful engine of the Bell Cutting ensures stable operation even in harsh working conditions. Not only increasing productivity, the machine also helps reduce labor and optimize time in the stages. McFerty logging is a specialized machine in the forestry industry, designed to effectively support the process of transporting wood. With a large size, a sturdy frame and a flexible hydraulic arm system, it can load and unload wood with high precision. Advanced technology integrated in the machine helps to minimize manual labor and optimize work productivity. In addition, McFerty logging also stands out for its ability to operate in complex terrain conditions, ensuring efficiency even in dense and difficult-to-access forest areas. The heavy logging truck roared loudly as it tried to climb the snow-covered slope. The large wheels, chained to prevent slipping, turned slowly but determinedly, leaving deep tracks in the soft snow. The long, thick logs, stacked tightly on the bed of the truck, seemed to add to the weight of the vehicle as it struggled with the harsh terrain. All around, the snow-covered pine forest created a scene that was both majestic and cold. Steam rose from the exhaust pipes and mixed with the cold air, creating a faint mist in the pale winter light. Excavatsu is a modern agricultural machine line, designed to meet the needs of large-scale farms. With a powerful and durable engine, Excavatsu is easy to operate in all terrain conditions, from plains to hills. In particular, the machine's harvesting system is optimized to ensure high efficiency, reducing loss of agricultural products. The highlight of Excavatsu is automation technology, helping users save time and effort, while significantly increasing productivity. With a sturdy design and easy maintenance, Excavatsu is the first choice for professional farmers. The Bandit chipper is a powerful wood chipper designed to crush large branches and wood into small pieces. With a powerful motor and sharp blades, it can quickly process hardwood materials, minimizing storage space and creating material that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as fertilizer or fuel. The Bandit chipper is sturdy, easy to move and operate, providing high efficiency in wood processing for logging companies, parks, or environmental improvement projects. Thank you for joining us for this epic event. Top Moments TV if you enjoyed seeing These powerful machines in action. Like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills. Content. See you next time.